始。
How to test tension. 1. Debug sensor position and cylinder position.
下头。
Sensor position ISF ROM water gap 5 to 10 millimeters. Cylinder position ESA LSO from water gap 5 to 10 millimeters. 2. Into software selectment, AIL into home page. Eno audio check sensor position. Red point must around to 0.5.
到这儿。
3. Return home page select auto and reset. You can't blue change yellow.
停。
4. Into test page on tuck screen.
摁一下。
Select start rotate cylinder. 5. Select auto mode and set parameters.
然后摁开始。
Include rotate speed and time. 7. Select start test begin. Comet O computer save and preview test report.